first you would get mad in these streets, but now you don't get mad, cause now you know me. And stack up my cheese, girl, ain't no need to worry, cause now you got me. At first you would get mad, cause I was fuck around in these streets, but now you don't get mad, cause now you know me. I'm trying to get this bag and stack up my cheese, girl, ain't no need to worry, cause now you got me. You know how I do, you know I got you, girl, ain't no need to worry, you know you my boo. You know how I do, you know I got you, girl, ain't no need to worry, you know you my boo.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy Grizz, and we back with another reaction. I told you I was just doing two. Y'all know I be capping sometimes. Well, at least when it comes to that, bro. Y'all know I always give y'all at least more than two. At least four, sometimes minimum. Like minimum 4 and up. Y'all know how Grizz get. But I've been actually waiting for this song, bro. I don't know how, but somehow Rich the Kid is always attached and always got some of the biggest bops. I've been waiting for this song with him and Kodak. I think, what is it called? Rain Snow. I've been waiting for this, bro. Since I heard this snippet, since I seen them, I believe they went to where Kodak I think they recorded this in Haiti, if I'm not mistaken, I think. So we about to tap in. Road to 100K. I know how I get when I'm in that mode, man. I'm in that recording mode right now, so I gotta take advantage. And I'm off today, so y'all know I gotta take advantage. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, Rain, Snow. Let's go. Bro, I really been waiting for this, like real deal. Been waiting for this. I'm chill. Oh, I'm chill. Let's go, Kodak. Let's go, Rich. Yeah, rain, slow, chains on me glow. Yeah. How many licks I had to go out and hit and make some dough. Rain, slow, rain, sleet, snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dough? Range road, chains on me glow. Yeah. How many licks I had to go out and hit and make some dough. I used to trip in the rain. Now I got my wrist on snow. I got your bitch on go. I was just jigging finesse and vote. Now I'm walking around in a Louis coat. Right up, baby, got lamb, I got them both. But was y'all, I ain't have hope. Club, stop a game, pull up with a scope. I was popping pills till I couldn't go. Niggas hating on me, said I wasn't dope. Now I got a Rolls Royce umbrella for rain. Got 100 racks up just for the pick. Got this shit out the mud. Tell it ran into the mud. Now I hit the mob blow, hold up. Them fake niggas never show no love. We the real zombies. It was a problem, we see about it. My first car was a Maserati. Shit on the porta potty. Rain, slow, rain, sleet, snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dough? Rain, roll, chains on me glow. Yeah. How many licks I had to go out and hit and make some dough? Rain, slow, rain, sleet, or snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dough? Range road, chains on me glow. How many licks I had to go out and hit to make some dough? It's that Kodak bar, yeah, I beat the pot out on the floor. It's that soda pop, nigga, I blew off shaking up the coat. Damn. I remember when I almost gave up on the floor. I was busting scam, making way more money than a show. I was 14, hitting new jacket, cars and up and pole. I went MIA, but please don't get confused, I'm from the north. I'm a paid nigga, somebody come identify your folks. I'm a paid nigga, I swear ain't losing sleep about a hoe. She give me talk, this bitch a pro. Give me talk, you like a pro. She keep me sloppy like I'm Joe. She give me sloppy like we Joe. I'm grinding by my mom the dough. I'm selling cocaine, weed and pills. Keep a bomb behind the stove. Keep some snipers ready to kill. Rain, snow, rain, sleet, or snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dough? Rain, road, chains on me glow. Yeah. How many licks I had to go out and hit and make some dough? Rain, snow, rain, sleet, or snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dough? Rain, road, chains. Bro, that's gonna be stuck in my head next. Rain, rain, sleet, or snow. That's gonna be stuck in my head. I'll be at work doing that shit. I
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Rich the Kid be doing some crazy shit, bro. Like, he really know what he doing. And I fuck with that. I really fuck with that. We on the road to 100K. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this song. This definitely might have to go on the playlist, bro. Because like I said, that hook is just... Bro, Kodak and hooks, like, he's really fucking underrated, bro. Like, bro, that man on the hook is so, bro. Pull up in a demon on God. Looking like I still do fried. Hopping out the jet with the ride. It's that Z shit. Bro, his hooks is too... Yo, cut that down like this and you winning. They wanna see you in the penitentiary. I need me a little baby. Bro, his hooks is, bro, GOAT status. Road to 100K, bro. They try to say my boy crazy. I don't know what's going on with Kodak. All I want to say is, and I ain't going to say nothing's wrong with him. I just hope, if you know what I'm saying, if he is going through something, he getting the help he need. And if he good, keep whatever he doing, keep doing it, because the music been fucking fire. He ain't missed a fucking beat, bro. Despite all this crazy shit they trying to put on his name, the music ain't miss a beat. Road to 100K, Grizz.